Ayoko pong idamay siya sa gulong itong na pinasok
If you not tell us the name, I will move to cite you in contempt.
Actually,
Eto, De La Serna, kanina pinapakinggan na kita, kaya sabi ko, eto, kung sinungaling ka, you're lying to Congresswoman Sonsing. Now, bakit hindi mo pwedeng sabihin ng pangalan?
I will move that we cite him in contempt. There's nothing involving national security for him not to answer the query of the Honorable Paduano.
Mr. De La Serna, this is your last warning. Please answer the query of Congressman Paduano. AR, you have 1 minute.
Mr. Chair, sorry, babalik lang ako sa tanong ni Kong Jinky kanina. Ngayon na hindi ka na-employed under the office of the presidential spokesperson as an EA, what is your relationship with Attorney Harry Roque now? Bakit po kayo in-endorse ni Attorney Harry Roque kay Ms. Cassie Ong na magstay po sa Lucky 99 compound? Mr. Chair, let me go back again to my question. I'm trying to figure out the circumstances by which you met Attorney Harry Roque and what's so special about this affiliation that he will make you a stockholder of a company. Mr. Chair, babalik pa rin po ako doon. Tinatry ko i-establish pero magsiskip muna ako kasi bilang ako hindi ko iisipin po na bigyan ng stock, ng share sa isang kumpanya yung tao na kakakilala ko pa lang. Kahit employer mo si Attorney Harry Roque at ibinalik mo yung shares na galing na nasa sayo papunta sa kanyang asawa, hindi
yes.
ba nag-ibig sabihin noon na share nila yon bago ilipat sayo kaya kailangan mo siyang konsultahin sa mga desisyon patungkol sa Biancham? Bakit kanina nung tinatanong ka namin, ang sagot mo, binalik ko po yung share kay Mrs. Myla Roque. Hindi ba ibig sabihin nun, alam mo, na galing din kay Mrs. Roque yung share na nabigay sa'yo?
Kakapasok lang na balita. Grabe, naiyak sa takot si De La Serna. Matapos ilaglag niya si Roque. Natakot kasi siya ipapasight in contempt ng mga congressman. Tinakot ng kulong sa Congress ayon sa ginawang pagtatanong ng Kongreso. Ano ba talaga tunay na relasyon mo kay Roque De La Serna? Ano ba tinatago niyo ni Roque? Bakit kanya gagawin stockholder sa kumpanya? Kung totoo executive assistants ka lang ni Roque, binigyan ka pa niya ng kwarto sa may pogo sa Banban Tarlac. Kinuwestiyon nila ang special treatment na tinatanggap. Binalaan siya ipapasight in contempt. Bistado na si Roque wala ng takas. Napilitan na siya umamin.
Can you repeat the question again? I'm sorry, Congresswoman Sonsing. Can you repeat the question?
No problem, Mr. Chair. Mr. Chair, my question to Mr. A.R. De La Serna is, when he signed the documents that allowed him to become a stakeholder of Biancham in 2020, when he was approached by Mr. Percival Ortega by endorsement by Mr. Harry Roque, he did so and agreed to become a stockholder by name without any promise of a dividend, a salary, and without any buy-in. So pumayag po siya na will make you a stockholder by name without any responsibilities, without any buy-in into the company, Mr. Chair.
Please answer. Hindi naman mahirap sagutin yung tanong ni Congresswoman Sonsing. Mr. De La Serna?
Mr. Chair, medyo matagal na kasi yung time. I cannot remember if I was given anything that time, to be honest po. So, hindi ko po maalala if I was given compensation or not, but I cannot assume that I was given compensation po. Yun po yung sagot ko.
But were you promised salary or any form of compensation when you signed the document?
Mr. Chair, I am not sure po if I was given, because that was in 2020 po.
Okay.
Mr.
Please
Chair,
proceed.
if I will sign a document as important as that, becoming a nominal stakeholder, not just a stockholder, actually you're a nominal stockholder as per the documents submitted by Biancham Holdings and Trading Inc. For me, that is such a substantial document to sign. And even though, for example, 10 years ago, I would know if I received a sum or I would know whether I will be offered a salary, Mr. Chair. So I refuse to believe, Mr. Chair, that Mr. A.R. De La Serna does not remember whether he was compensated. But Mr. Chair, let me add another point. if you don't remember whether you received any compensation at the time or not, since, let me ask another question, are you still affiliated with Biancham Holdings now?
No, Your Honor.
How long were you a nominal stockholder of Biancham?
Within this year po, Your Honor, nag-sign na po ako kasi kinuha na po siya ng family ni Attorney Roque. I am not allowed to say anything kasi hindi man ako part ng family nila, but they are fixing it already now. Tapos nagpasign na sila ng papers sa amin that they are getting my share.
My apologies, Mr. Chair. Let me ask for a clarificatory question. Would you mind repeating that, Mr. De La Serna? You said that the stocks were taken away from you. When and by who? You mentioned it already.
I am not sure if I am allowed to speak about it, Your Honor, because it is not yet final. Hindi ako sure if it is already executed, but I already assigned a document. I'm not sure what document, what was that. Pero pinapirma po siya sa akin, giving my share to Ma'am Myla Roque po, the wife of Attorney Roque.
So, Mr. Chair, for my colleagues here, were saying they didn't hear. So, you already signed documents now transferring your shares back to Mrs. Roque. Is that
yes,
correct?
Yes, correct, Your Honor.
May you please let us know the first name of Mrs. Roque?
Mrs. Myla Roque po, Your Honor.
Myla.
Yes.
Myla. So you transferred your shares in Biancham.
Share po, one lang po yan, Your Honor.
Is that one based on the document? No, you do have one share. Okay, noted. So I see it here in the document. So you transferred your share back to Mrs. Myla Roque. Okay. Mr. Chair, let me go back again to my question. I'm trying to figure out the circumstances by which you met Attorney Harry Roque and what's so special about this affiliation that he will make you a stockholder of a company. So, may I ask the circumstances by which you met Attorney Harry Roque in 2019, October 2019?
During October of 2019, Your Honor, there was an inauguration in our barangay po. Nagbigyan po kami ng comfort court po ata, which was a project through the office of Attorney Roque when he was still a congressman in the 17th Congress po. During the past po, my mother was a barangay captain po of that barangay and was invited to the inauguration, which was kasama po ako. Then doon ko po na-meet si Attorney Roque po, Your Honor.
Mr. Chair, kung naiintindihan ko po, so pumunta si Attorney Harry Roque sa isang inaugurasyon ng covered court sa kanilang barangay, kung saan po barangay captain po ang nanay ni Mr. De La Serna, at pagkatapos noon, dun lang kayo nagkakilala?
Yes po, Your Honor.
Tapos pagkatapos po noon, kinuha ka na po niya na social media?
Hindi po, nag-work po ako sa kanya ng 2020 po, ng May po.
Bilang?
SOCMED person po, Your Honor.
So, tapos, pagkatapos nun, ginawa ka na kaagad niya na stockholder ng...
No, my knowledge was at that time, Your Honor, parang very limited lang kaming staff na pumapasok that time. So, I was chosen of isa po na pumirma po to complete the company po.
Ano po ang nauna, Mr. De La Serna? Ginawa po kayong stockholder ng Biancham or in-employ po kayo bilang social media manager?
The employment po of SOCMED.
Mr. Chair, pabalik pa rin po ako doon. Tinatry ko i-establish pero magsiskip muna ako kasi bilang ako, hindi ko iisipin po na bigyan ng stock, ng share sa isang kumpanya yung tao na kakakilala ko pa lang. So, I'll go back to that, Mr. Chair. Mr. De La Serna, tatanungin ko po yung mga aktibidades nyo po habang kayo ay nominal stockholder ng Biancham. May tanong ko lang po, were you asked to sign documents while you were a part of Biancham?
No po, Your Honor.
Bukod sa ikaw po ay stockholder, naging miyembro din po kayo ng Board of Directors ng Biancham, tama po ba?
Yes po, Your Honor.
Opo, dahil yun po yung nandito sa dokumento na hawak ko sa submission po ng Biancham, kayo po ay miyembro ng Board of Directors. Nagsabay po ba yung pagkakataon na kayo ay Executive Assistant ni Attorney Harry Roque at kayo ay Board of Director ng Biancham? Sabay po yun?
I'm so sorry po, Your Honor. I'm not sure, but I guess it's the same. But
Opo.
I'm not 100 sure na yes po yung sagot ko. But it's like 80% sure.
Sige po. Bilang miyembro po ng Board of Directors ng Biancham, are you aware of the transactions na ginagawa po ng korporasyon?
No, Your Honor.
So, ibig sabihin po, kayo ay stockholder lang, miyembro ng Board of Director by name. Pumipirma po kayo ng mga dokumento nang hindi po alam yung mga nangyayari?
I had full trust and confidence with Attorney Percival po, Your Honor.
Sige po. Alam niyo po ba na ang Biancham ay nagmamay-ari ng shares sa ibang mga korporasyon?
No, Your Honor.
One of these corporations po ay ang First Bataan Mariveles Holding Corp or ang FBMHC. Sinasabi ko lang po at may pagmamay-ari po ang Biancham na 50% ng FBMHC. Aware po ba kayo, Mr. De La Serna, nung panahon na kayo ay miyembro ng Board of Directors ng Biancham, na ang Biancham po ay pumasok sa isang partnership sa Green Mile Realty Corporation?
Yes po, Your Honor.
Aware po kayo?
Yes po.
So, naaalala nyo po na pumirma po kayo ng dokumento na pumapayag po na pumasok ang Biancham sa partnership po sa Green Mile Realty Corp.
Alam ko may pinirman ang document but I'm not sure it was a partnership with Green something po. Hindi ako sure.
So, binabawi nyo po yung kanina.
Alam ko may pirmahan akong document but I cannot fully say na it was with Green. Yun po yung sinabi niya.
Mr. Chair, I highlight this because one of the key principal projects of the partnership between Green Mile Realty Corp and Biancham, which then became FBMHC or the First Bataan Mariveles Holding Corporation, is to develop a plot of land in Mariveles, Bataan with a size of 422 hectares o yung tinatawag po na Mariveles land. And the development project was valued at 1.8 billion pesos. Mr. A.R. De La Serna, kayo po ay sumasang-ayon na ang 1.8 billion pesos ay malaking halaga po.
Yes po, Your Honor.
Napakalaking halaga po nun. At alam niyo po ba kung saan kinuha ng Biancham yung ganito kalaki na pondo para po mabili ang ganitong 1.8 billion pesos na lupa?
To be honest po, Your Honor, I do not know the transactions of Biancham po.
My apologies, Mr. Chair. Mr. De La Serna, can you please repeat?
To be honest po, Your Honor, I do not know the activities of Biancham po.
Mr. Chair, I feel like the recurring theme here is Mr. A.R. De La Serna signs documents as the Board of Director without any knowledge or without reading the subject matter. May I ask po, let's say dumating yung dokumento sa harap nyo. Sino po ang kinukonsulta nyo? Na pwede ko ba itong pirmahan? Hindi ko ito
Attorney
pwedeng
Paul
pirmahan?
Ortega po, I have full trust and confidence to Attorney Percival Ortega po, Your Honor.
Sino ulit si Attorney Percival Ortega at bakit bukod sa ipinakilala siya sa iyo ni Attorney Harry Roque, bakit napakalaki ng pagtitiwala mo sa kay Mr. Percival Ortega?
Okay naman po kausap si Attorney Val po, Your Honor.
Mr. Chair, may I also, I guess ang parati ko pong naiisip dito ay yung pareho po sa sinasabi ni Ms. Baterna doon sa mga dati nating tanong na pumipirma lang ng pumipirma. Pero sige po, ang tanong ko po, kinukonsulta niyo po ba si Attorney Harry Roque kapag kayo ay pumipirma ng mga dokumento sa Biancham?
Ang kinukonsult ko po, Madam, Your Honor, is si Attorney Percival Ortega po.
Kahit employer mo si Attorney Harry Roque at ibinalik mo yung shares na galing na nasa sayo papunta sa kanyang asawa, hindi
Yes.
ba nag-ibig sabihin noon na share nila yon bago ilipat sayo kaya kailangan mo siyang konsultahin sa mga desisyon patungkol sa Biancham?
Sorry po, hindi ko na-gets yun.
Kasi po, ulitin ko po, 'di ba, may one share ka
Yes.
sa Biancham. Alam mo ba kanino galing yung share na yon?
No, Your Honor.
Bakit kanina, nung tinatanong ka namin, ang sagot mo, binalik ko po yung share kay Mrs. Myla Roque. Hindi ba ibig sabihin nun, alam mo, na galing din kay Mrs. Roque yung share na nabigay sa'yo?
What I mean sa binabalik ko, Your Honor, is alam ko na completing shareholder lang po talaga ako doon. I do not own anything doon. I have not invested on it. So, binabalik ko lang po kung sino yung sabihin ni Attorney Percival Ortega po, Your Honor.
Matanong ko lang po, nung panahon po na nasa Biancham kayo, active pa po ba si Attorney Harry Roque doon sa mga aktibidades ng Biancham? To your knowledge, did he attend any of the meetings? Meron ba siyang...
Maski ako po, Your Honor, wala po akong inatinan na meeting po ng Biancham. So, hindi ko po alam kay Attorney Roque if nag-attend po siya.
So, Mr. Chair, I believe we have established here that Mr. A.R. De La Serna is a stockholder of Biancham by name, entered into agreements without any knowledge of these agreements. So, by name lang po talaga ay nandun siya. At huling tanong po, Mr. Chair, if I may, do you have any relationship with any other corporation registered with the SEC, either as a stockholder or as a member of the board of directors, bukod po sa Biancham?
Ang alam ko, I guess, hindi ako sure po, Your Honor. I guess for the... Pwede ko i-check yung emails ko po.
Mr. Chair,
Alam ko, meron pong isa pa. I'm not sure if ano po yun. Nag-sign lang din po ako noon, Your Honor.
Mr. Chair, this is a very important question. Wala nang ibang kumpanya na ikaw ay pumirma ng incorporation documents?
There's one more, to my knowledge po, Your Honor.
What is the name of the other corporation?
Hindi ako sure, Your Honor, pero I know in myself na mayroon pa akong isang pinirmahan po.
This is critical, Mr. De La Serna. We need to know what other corporation you're a part of. And sino ulit yung nagpapirma sa'yo ng incorporation or...
Same po, Attorney Percival Ortega pa rin po, Your Honor.
Ano ang relasyon ni Mr. Percival Ortega kay Attorney Harry Roque?
There are law classmates po, Your Honor.
Law classmates. At nung pinakilala ka, gawin mong stockholder, sinabi na si AR na lang yung kunin mo na...
Yes, Your Honor. To complete the requirement of the corporate law po, Your Honor.
Is that the same case with this other corporation?
Yes po, Your Honor.
May you please let us know the name of that corporation?
Hindi ako sure. Sorry po, I do not know po, Your Honor. To be honest, hindi ko po alam. Pero alam ko, aside from Biancham, may isa pa akong C9 po na document.
Anong industry, anong sector ng other corporation na yon?
To be honest po, Your Honor, hindi ako sure if anong company po yun. In what industry.
Mr. Chair, can you... I don't know this is very important, but I hope that Mr. De La Serna can furnish us, Mr. Chair, with the name of that other corporation. Because, Mr. Chair, my concern is if he's signing documents for Biancham Corporation without knowing the nature of these documents, he most likely is also pumipirma ka din ba ng mga papel para doon sa isang korporasyon na yon?
Parang once lang yun, Your Honor.
Mr. Chair, sorry, babalik lang ako sa tanong ni Kong Jinky kanina. Ngayon na hindi ka na-employed under the office of the presidential spokesperson as an EA, what is your relationship with Attorney Harry Roque now?
Previous employer po, si Attorney Roque po. I maintain a professional relationship with my previous employers po, Your Honor.
Bakit po kayo in-endorse ni Attorney Harry Roque kay Miss Cassie Ong na magstay po sa Lucky 99 compound?
I was not endorsed by Attorney Roque po. Na-introduce niya po ako. Ako po yung kumausap kay Ma'am Cassandra Leong if pwede akong magstay sa lodging houses po nila in Porac.
Pero paano mo nakilala si Miss Cassie Ong?
Through the introduction of Attorney Roque po, Your Honor.
So, nag-approach ka lang sa kanya after the fact na after kayo in-introduce, hindi ka in-endorse tulad ng ibang mga pagkakataon na in-endorse kayo ni Attorney Harry Roque kay Miss Cassie Ong na
nangyari kasi
Cassie,
dun-
pakipasok si AR sa
Ang nangyari kasi
compound?
doon, Your Honor, was nagtanong po sa akin si Ma'am Cassandra if ano ang ginagawa ko po sa Pampanga. Then I was very honest with her that I was looking for a place to stay because I'll be starting my flying school soon. And sabi naman niya, they have lodging houses in I know in my knowledge it was Angeles, not even Porac. So when I checked the place, it's 10 to 15 minutes of
Salary grade 17 to salary grade 20 po kayo. Sa 10 buwan po na na-employ kayo kay Mr. Harry Roque, parang naglalaro po sa 370,000 hanggang 512,000. Minultiply ko, ay mali, Ay tama, minultiply ko lang po by 10, yung salary
yes.
grade 17 at salary grade 20 ngayon. So, yun lang po, wala po kayong natatanggap na compensation galing po kay Attorney
From
Hadedoque.
Biancham po ba yung tanong niyo, Your Honor?
O yung tulong, hindi siya tumutulong sa'yo ngayon?
He endorsed me to Attorney San Agustin po. Actually, ang first meeting namin is Attorney San Agustin is not...
Sorry, Mr. Del Ser, could you speak closer to the mic, please?
To be honest po, Your Honor, the first time na nag-meet kami ni Attorney San Agustin is not to represent me in Senate or in Congress, but to file a motion to quash to get my stuff in PORAC po. Kasi kailangan ko na talaga yung mga naiwan ko pong gamit doon because as I progress in my flying school, naiwan ko po doon yung mga mapa ko at most of my uniform is still there din po.
Sorry, Mr. Chair, iba po yung tanong ko. Mayroon po ba kayo natatanggap ngayon?
Aside from the endorsement of Attorney
natulong-
Raquel na tulungan ako ni Attorney San Agustin, no po, Your Honor.
Mr. Chair, siguro po, one of the questions that I have is what is the special, why the preferential treatment to Mr. A.R. de la Serna? Is it because nakita po na he's someone who would sign documents, who would enter into agreements, willing to be an incorporator by name? Siguro po, yun po siguro yung iniisip ko, Mr. Chair, kasi nahihirapan ako na maniwala na pinipirmahan ni Mr. A.R. de la Serna itong mga dokumento na ito ng walang kinukonsulta. Dahil mahalaga po itong mga dokumento na ito. So, siguro Mr. Chair, ang mahalagang tanong po nitong ating komite ay sino po yung talagang representa ni Mr. A.R. de la Serna, kaninong interest po? Kasi posible po na merong personalidad, Mr. Chair, na dahil merong may mga restrictions, halimbawa po, para po sa mga government officials, hindi po tayo pwedeng pumasok sa mga particular na mga transactions, kaya po kailangan po mayroong pribadong individual na tatayo para sa atin sa mga ganong mga transaksyon. Posibleng yun po yung posisyon ni Mr. A.R. de la Serna. So, I don't want to use the term, Mr. Chair, pero meron kasing gumagamit ng mga dummy or proxies na para humarap po sa mga transaction dito po sa mga korporasyon na to. At mahalaga po para sa ating komite na malaman sino po itong personalidad na ito. Mr. Chair, I will continue to probe Mr. A.R. de la Serna on what that other corporation is that he is a stakeholder of. Kaya Mr. A.R. de la Serna, babalikan ka namin before the end of this hearing. Check your emails, check your text messages. We need to know what that other corporation is na you're part of.
Actually,
Eto, de la Serna, kanina pinapakinggan na kita, kaya sabi ko, eto, kung sinungaling ka. Now, I am proving yung ano ko lang kanina,
yes,
that you're lying to Congresswoman Sonsing. Now, bakit hindi mo pwedeng sabihin ang pangalan?
privacy po kasi nila yun, Mr.
Sorry?
Privacy po nila yun, Mr. Chair.
Ano?
Ayoko po silang idamay dito sa...
Eh, nadamay ka nga dito. Ano, you lied when you tell this committee a few hours ago na nagrerenta ka.
Nag-rent ako...
No, nagrent ka ngayon lang.
yes, last week lang po ako
Oh,
nag-rent.
but
to my
I'm
name po.
asking you, when Kong Swan Sing asked you, sabi mo nagrerent ka. You
Starting
never
this po.
tell this committee na ngayong buwan lang kasi critical months is November to May of this year.
Andun po ako sa Angeles po, sa PORAC po, na property ng nila Ma'am Cassie po, Mr. Chair.
Hindi kaya ang tinatanong ko sa iyo, sino yung kaibigan mo? Why you cannot disclose the names?
Ayoko pong idamay siya sa gulong itong na pinasa
If you not tell us the name, I will move to cite you in contempt. Oh,
Pwede ko pong pag-isipan, Mr. Chair.
pag-isipan until when? Until you call them? Until you... Alam mo kasi,
Mr. Chair,
yes, I'm sorry.
it's already past 10 o'clock. If Mr. De La Serna will not answer the question of the Honorable Paduano, I will move that we cite him in contempt. There's nothing involving national security for him not to answer the query of the Honorable Paduano.
Second, Mr. Chair.
Thank you, Congressman Acop. Mr. De La Serna, this is your last warning. Please answer the query of Congressman Paduano.
Ano pangalan? AR?
You have 1 minute.
Suspended ba tayo?
AR, may pangalan ba o wala? Are you pretending to think about a name? Kasi, alam mo, nagdududa kami sa
No po,
actuations
Mr.
mo eh.
Chair.
Ha?
Ayoko pong idamay yung kaibigan ko po.
Hindi naman siya madadamay, imbitahan lang po natin siya kung talagang umuupa ka sa kanya. Yun na naman gusto ni Chairman
To
Paduano.
be honest po, Mr. Chair, this is
Ha?
very stressful.
Is there really a name or none at all?
Ah,
Kasi alam mo, sa tingin namin, you're just pretending na meron kang inuupahan doon. Kasi hindi mo masabi yung pangalan eh. Just tell us the name.
Mr. Chair,
What is the name?
I remember, Mr. Chair. Just to put into context, I was listening intently the question of Congresswoman Swansing, and it was very clear when she asked the witness, bakit nandun yung mga gamit mo? Diba? When the raid happened. Ang sabi niya, in May, he rented a space. I think the raid happened in June. So maybe sometime there, nag-rent na siya. So ganun talaga yung pagkarinig ko rin na De La Serna, nagre-rent ka na doon sa space na yon. I mean, just near the ano. So basically, Mr. Chair, she was lying and maybe she lied to Congresswoman Swansing.
Oh, Mr. De La Serna, meron ka pang opportunity before we rule on the motion to cite you in contempt. Pwede bang sagutin mo yung tanong ni Congressman Paduano?
Eman po, Mr. Chair.
Again?
Eman po.
Give us the full name.
Eman Jorquales po, Mr. Chair.
Mr. Eman
Jorquales.
Jordanes.
Quales.
Can you spell the last name,
Pwede
please?
kong tingnan sa phone ko, Mr. Chair.
Ano, no?
Pwede kong tingnan yung spelling ng family name niya sa phone ko po, Mr. Chair. Can I look at my phone for the spelling of
Oh,
his
yes.
family name?
Yes, but as long as you can give us the name, the complete name, the full name of your friend. Friend mo yan?
Eman Jorquales po. Juliet, Uniform, Romeo, Charlie Alpha, Lima, Echo, Sierra po.
Or did you get the full name, Congressman Paduano?
Mr. Chair, we direct the COMSEC to get the exact name of that person that was mentioned
Comsec,
by Mr.
kindly approach the Mr. De La Serna and tell him to give you the full name of his friend,
And Mr. Serna,
including the address, Mr. De La Serna, and contact number.
Sorry po. Yes po, Mr.
Okay,
Chair.
Mr. De La Serna.
Chairman, can I proceed? Last na ta. Maybe last or two. Mr. Lacerna, binigay mo na ba yung number ng friend mo? COMSEC? Nasa'yo na ba? Mr. Lacerna, pag hindi mo binigay yung exact number, and we will call that number to confirm indeed that number is owned by that person, balikan kita.
Yes po, Mr. Chair.
Papasay ka in contempt ulit ni Chairman Acop.
Yes po, Mr. Chair.
Yung address, binigay mo na ba?
Yes po, Mr. Chair.
Okay, last. Oh, eto Mr. Lacerna.
Yes po, Mr. Chair.
Ano, yung mention mo na yung kaklase mo,
Kaibigan ko siya from Clark po, Mr. Chair.
not your classmate.
No po, Mr. Chair.
Sabi mo kasi kanina, friends.
Friend ko from the aviation life ko in Pampanga po, Mr. Chair.
But he's not your classmate.
No po.
Pero sabi mo kanina, friends, or those other persons. Doon ka ba nakatira sa kanya?
Yes po.
Sino kasama niyo doon sa bahay? Ano ba yun? Apartment?
Yes po.
Nirerentahan?
Yes po, Mr. Chair.
Okay. Mr. Lacerna, who pays your tuition and the school expense?
My family pays for it, Mr.
Sorry?
My family pays for it, Mr. Chair.
Your family? Pamilya mo?
Yes po. Pero may understanding po ako at Mr. Chair na kailangan ko po siyang bayaran pag naging pilot po ako, Mr. Chair.
Kanino? Doon sa school?
Sa family ko po, Mr. Chair.
Your mom?
The family of my father po, Mr. Chair.
Lakasan mo nga.
The family of my father po, Mr. Chair.
The family of your father. Okay. So, sigurado ka na doon sa address at saka sa phone number.
Yes po, Mr. Chair.
Mr. Chairman, can I interject?
With the indulgence of Congressman Paduano.
Ay, hindi pala full address.
Anonas, can I interject, Chairman?
Yeah, please.
Eman R.
Jarcales.
Jarcoles?
Yes po.
Kapapangan yung bato?
Yes po, Mr. Chair.
Kapapangan? Kapapangan ako. Marunong ang Kapampangan?
No po, Mr. Chair.
Narinig ko kanina sa'yo, Anonas.
Yes po, Barangay Anonas. Yun po yung nire-rent ko to po ngayon. Yung sa akin na po.
Doon ka nagre-rent. Pero kung saan si Eman,
Sa Clark po yan.
sa Clark. Saan sa Clark? Hotel ba o bahay ba ron?
Parang condo po siya, Mr. Chair. eh.
Ano?
Condo po.
Kondo? Anong pangalan ng kondo?
The Heights po ata, Mr. Chair. The Heights po.
The Heights?
Mr. Chair, very quickly po, 30 seconds lang po, if I may.
Mukhang nilalagnatan siya, Chairman. You are recognized, Congressman Sonsing.
Mr. Chair, before we end lang po today, kanina po in my interpellation, I requested for one particular vital piece of information from Mr. A.R. de la Serna. So, hindi ko po papayagan matapos yung gabi nang hindi pa ako sinasagot. You mentioned that there's at least one more corporation kung saan nakapangalan ka bilang either nominal stakeholder or board of directors. So, Mr. Chair, if I may ask Mr. de la Serna, pwede mo bang pangalanan kung ano pa yung ibang korporasyon na dati ka naging board of director or stockholder o kasalukuyan ka pang board of director or stockholder, Mr. Chair?
Good. Yes po.
Pakilapit nga yung microphone, please.
You've had 2 hours already, Mr. de la Serna.
Yes
Sabi
po,
ko,
Your
pakicheck
Honor.
na.
The name of the company is Block 19 Lot 8.
Pakilapit yung microphone.
The name is Block 19 Lot 89 Phase 2 Pinewoods Village Incorporated po, Your Honor. I can send you the copy po if you want.
Mr. Chair, I believe that's the address. What's the name of the corporation? It's the name of the corporation?
Corporate name, yun po, Your Honor.
No.
I
Chair.
can give you the copy po, Your Honor. The corporate name is Block 19 Lot 89 Phase 2 Pinewoods Village Incorporated po.
Mr. Chair, under oath, may I ask Mr. de la Serna, aside from the 2 mentioned, Biancham and the one mentioned now, Block, I didn't catch the name. Aside from those 2, are there other corporations that you are either a board of director of or a stockholder? Under oath ka, Mr. A.R. de la Serna.
To my knowledge po, ito lang po, Your Honor.
Thank you very much, Mr. Chair. Just wanted to close out the interpellation po. Thank you very much for the opportunity.
Mr. Chair, motion to suspend.
There's a motion for to suspend. Any objection? Hearing none, the said motion is now approved.
Ngayon, ikaw, bilang Pilipino, ano ang masasabi mo at reaksyon sa balitang ito? Mag-iwan ka ng komento sa ibaba at atin pong babasahin isa-isa.